It has been more than 2 years since the COVID-19 pandemic started, and yet, the Philippines is still suffering from the effects of the said virus. As of January 12 of 2022, the country has a total of 3,058,634 COVID cases that is continuously increasing exponentially due to the rapid spread of the new Omicron variant. Along with the COVID-19 vaccinations administered to all citizens of the Philippines, the use of face masks is also strictly enforced in all regions. But what happens to the face mask after a single use?
Hindi ko na po ginagamit, tinatapon ko na po agad.
I throw it out.
I dispose it immediately.
Wala po. Tinatapon ko na po agad.
Research shows that the extensive use of face masks resulted in an abundance of mass waste that generate millions of contaminated plastics thrown into the environment.
This is why we promote Mass Ligtas, a waste segregation program that shall be implemented to the barangays of South Caloocan City.
We aim to educate the people about the environmental impacts of improper mass disposal through the use of online platforms.
We also plan on working with South Caloocan City barangays in implementing the use of separate trash bins for used face masks.
You might be wondering, how do we properly dispose our face masks? This is simple.
Remove the mask by its straps and not by the contaminated side of the mask. Next, disinfect both sides of the mask and fold it with the contaminated part on the inside. Put the mask inside a paper bag or biodegradable plastic bag and throw it in a separate bin.
With that being said, we need your assistance for us to call the attentions of our barangay health officials for us to finally start with the Mass Ligtas project. The success of this program will have a major contribution to the improvement of the health of our environment.
But how can you help? Simply liking, sharing, and interacting with our posts can be a huge help to this project.
Do you have extra money? You may also send in cash donations for the implementation of this project. A total of 25,000 pesos must be raised for the purchase of the materials needed for the program.
You may send in monetary donations through our GCash information found in the description box, or you may use this barcode. You may also reach us through our contact information presented on your screens.
Kaya what are you waiting for? Tara, let's work together in putting an end to this pandemic while keeping a safe and healthy environment.